Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 1981 to 1993 Ram 150. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift the truck bed and remove the fuel tank. Remove any lines or brackets from the work area. Step 3. This front frame repair kit covers the section of frame which houses the rear shock crossmember. You have two options. Option 1. Remove the rear shock crossmember and replace it later. The crossmember is bolted in place. Option 2. Remove the perforations on the frame section that accommodate the crossmember. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer. Slide the frame section on the frame, using the frame holes for alignment. Clamp the part in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part to the frame, then weld all edges fully. Step 5. If the crossmember was removed in Step 3, install a replacement at this time. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any fuel lines or brackets that were removed, reinstall the fuel tank, then lower and reinstall the bed.